yeah. She got that wet shit, yeah. She got that wet shit, yeah. She got that wet shit, she got that wet shit. Hey girl, how you doing? Look, on double law. Girl, I'm a star. Just like the ceiling I got on my car. Just like the ceiling.
Okay, what is up, guys? I'm back with another video. But before this video you start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. So today we're gonna try to make us some first slides. I've been seeing, I was like, I feel like I could do it. So I went to JOANN, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got some E6000, cause they said this whole like cloth really good. I got some. It's some box bird. I call this as a chinchilla. But I got some fur, and I got pieces. This is a 9. I had to fold it, but this is a 9-inch. Let me just hold it. And then I got, that's it. And then I paid $12. So I have these pink slides. They kind of raggedy, yeah, woe out. And I got these slides that says boy bye. They kind of raggedy too, you know. So if y'all get this video 30 likes, I'm gonna do the pink slides, a color that y'all will pick. Okay, I promise. But I'm gonna do the boy bye slides cause I don't really like them like that. So I decided to just get some wipes, and when the wipes is for to get all of whatever's on the shoe off. Okay. So I'm going to measure from side to side because I want everything to be covered. So if you want everything to be covered, make sure you measure from one side to the other side. So I'm placing the fur over the slide so I can know like how long and how short I need to cut it. So I'm basically just measuring the fur to the slide. So right now I'm just cutting. And then as y'all can see that the hair likes to fall. Like when you cut it, make sure you get the hair that's falling out before you even glue it. So right now,
Fire the crib. Where you gonna go when you do? I'ma know for real. I pour a 4 in the field. You already know what it is. Keep a pole in the wheel, cause a lot of these out here envy me.
so this is where it all started to go wrong. I mean, I was getting a little frustrated, but I did not like just completely give up on it. So the E6000 glue that they were saying that was good for it, I put it on the shoe as y'all seen, and I was trying to blow dry to see was it go stick. But it wasn't. So I was really getting mad about that because I kept blow drying it, thinking that hopefully it would stick. But it ended up not sticking. So I had to go and use a glue gun. Y'all gonna see me start using a glue gun because the E6000 just did not work. Good thing I had a glue gun, because if I didn't, boy.
One front, one say up. Shoot at an OB, shoot at a cop. Shoot at the police, shoot at your top. I made $1 million on socks. Free all my niggas who stuck in the box. Locked up and watching the clock. Locked up, they fighting with locks. Locked up, they swinging they knife. I can't be living this life. No more Bacardi, alright. I don't want Cardi, so I'ma pour Henny on ice. My vision is vivid. Told you I'm really a menace. I showed you I'm destined to get it. I be outside with the glizzy. Told that fire be tripping. I just might die on living. I ain't take no bad, but I'm tripping. They ain't catch me slipping. Hey, yeah. I make you laugh when you with me. Know that my swag is terrific. Hey. Ain't seen my dad in a minute, but I can't be mad. I got millions. I just pulled up in the limit. Thuggin', so f your opinion. I'm thuggin', so f how you feelin'. I'm calling my spirit through my third eye, cause I got ton of vision. Had to open my mind, then I open the bins. Like you gotta sell your soul for them to pay attention. All that plan, now I'm grown, I put my heart in it. I had to get down with that chrome and show them I'm serious. And it's like every song I'm on, I be calling my spirits.
Tell me how you own it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, yeah, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7.
Loving the shit out you, fucking the shit out you for 7 days straight, and now I can't live without you. And if we ever broke up, I won't have a kid without you. You forever in my heart. I won't forget about you. I be crushing you on Monday like it's Wednesday. You pressed about that nigga with your friends say. G63 is what your business say. I'm so happy you ain't listen to your friends, babe. You can tell me how you want it, how you need it, I don't mind. Need you right here by my side, cause out of sight is out of mind. And out of spite, you hit decline, but I was hype. I hit your line a few more times, when you hit back, I'm gonna respond.
Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, yeah, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7.
You be throwing that shit back like it's a Thursday. I be treating you like every day your birthday. Them hoes ain't fucking with you on your worst day. I got you on a new level like what first say. When you feel down, I pick you up, put on your crown and lift you up. I put a rock all on your finger, so much ice could push you up. Heard they feelings about you, baby, told them hoes I wish them luck. Talking relationship goals, this could be us. Yup, 24/7. What's the 411? When you see me kneel like Kaepernick, call a reverend. So I got $1 million in the stash for a wedding. If you ready, let me know, cause it's whatever.
Living on you in the worst way. Yeah, anniversary. Want the suit up on my birthday. Cause I know they keep you thirsty. Ain't no playing, this is us. Boy, be gentle, ain't no rush. 365, you the only one I trust. No, I can get enough. And all my ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah, yeah. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, yeah, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, oh,
Whoa, 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 whoa. Look what you did though. You crossed me though. Lately my mind been drifting away. I'm thinking, I'm fading. You say that you love me, but stab in my heart. I'm thinking, life for the relation. You say that you sorry, it really don't matter. I was climbing to the top, now me back off the ladder. I gave you 3 strikes and you was the battle. I thought I could trust you, my love got mad. I gave you my loyalty. Only thing you want is my royalty. Should be on T, mama told me it's poison. I knew you was greedy, them signs I ignored it. Just like a bitch, I knew you was doing. I showed you the map just for you to explore it. Just like a bitch, I knew you was doing. I showed you the map just for you to explore it. How could you come jump on the board and surf with the game when you knew you couldn't ride away? I thought about killing my brother from stealing from me, but you know that wanna ride away. That shit that hurt me so deep, tears fall on my face, know how much I done cried today. It's a lot on my chest, got love from a distance, gon' listen what I gotta say. When I jump in that Rari, don't hop in. Brand new house, you ain't welcome in. No, we not brothers, even though we can. Up in my life, you ain't welcome in. I look up tired, time after time I done tried. You know what you did, don't ask me why. What happened and you been my brother's keeper. Never thought you would be the creeper. Just grinding wait your turn, but you rather sit and watch the bridge burn. I trust you had to earn. My whole family sit and watch my soul burn. Like, how could you do me like Scooby? I was the driver, like how could you screw me? I let this shit happen, can't say that I knew it. Put you up in a place and make millions, you blew it. How could you come jump on
the board and surf with the gang when you know you come right away. I thought about killing my brother from stealing from me, but you know that wanna right away. That shit that hurt me so deep, tears fall on my face, know how much I done cried today.